Going down the four-wheeler trail. Trying to do a little bit of bird hunting before it gets dark. And, well, going down the trail a ways, just cruising along. Not too fast because, you know, you're bird hunting, you don't want to go too fast. The next thing you know, I veer right sideways. So, my first thought is, oh, I caught the lip. Okay, steer back on. Well, it felt a little funny, so I got off and checked it out. And I'd show you, but I already fixed it. Well, you'll see. Anyway, one of the front tires was right sideways. So that was cute. The old steering link broke. Tie rod, whatever the hell it is. So I clicked it back in place, went about 100 yards, fell back off. Tried it again, went another 100 yards, fell off. Even going slow, it's not taking anything. So I'm miles away from home right now. This is cute. But you see that that ratchet strap right there? I think it's gonna work. So got the old ratchet strap hooked up to the front of the wheeler, going up down through the steering column, holding an up pressure on the old tie rod there, because it popped out of socket and it won't stay in. It's all worn out. And the last time it popped off, I had to wrestle with it a bit and move things and put pressure in places, because somehow tie rod, or whatever the hell you want to call it, I'm just guessing it's a tie rod. I ain't no tech. But anyway, it went down beneath the A-arm there. Again, just guessing on a part. Anyway, yeah, it went down below and I couldn't get it out, so I played with that for half an hour. Just about gave up. But what am I gonna do? Walk? I'm out in the middle of nowhere. No cell service, no nothing. I don't even got a bird to show for it. Well, anyway, wish me luck. Please, oh please, get me home. Not gonna go too fast, just hope that keeps enough pressure on it to get us there. So far so good. Cruising along at 11 miles an hour right now. So, who knows, maybe I just figured something out. But I'm not gonna say too much until I get home. You know, because I don't want to jinx myself. I've gone a mile so far, just so we can keep a little bit of a miles count, see how far I'm gonna go on this little jerry rig. Coming up on a road here, just a little crossing. Still chugging along. So my phone's about to die, and I have nothing set up to be able to record anything that I want to that's cool. Still going strong. Up there on the left, there's a bird. So I'm gonna see if I can get him. Wish me luck. Well, these people just stopped by. We're gonna see if it flies off. I'm just putting anyway, so we're gonna see. No, stomp. So everything held up well. Got the ratchet strap hooked up and around down through there. Well, my stand ain't gonna allow for this. So hold on. Still hooked up in there. So I wish I could show this better, but I can't. Just know that in this situation where the tie rod end, I looked it up and I was correct, it is a tie rod. The tie rod end is busted, and it's the one that's on the Wheeler body side. This is a fix that'll work. 6 miles she held up. And I found something. Well, I didn't find something. I got something along the way. Check it out. You ready? You ready? And yeah, no birds. I didn't see any birds on the way back. But I did stop at the gas station on the way back. You know, because it's 2 places down. Got myself a Moxie. That's a win, I guess.